everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I've created this really quick no foundation glowy makeup vlog. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this, then please keep on watching. The most important step is of course moisturizing. So I'm just using this Face Shop moisturizer. My face is swollen a little bit because I ate a lot of sweets because it's Diwali. I also make sure I apply it under my eyes because my under eyes do feel dry after I apply concealer. Next I will be using the MAC Strobe cream. I like to look really oily before my makeup. Next I'm going to use the Pixi Rose Glow Mist. This is a really great face mist. I've been loving it a lot. Gonna let it dry. It instantly hydrates your face. Next I'm using the Elegant Pro Conceal only on my spots and my under eyes too. Little bit on my forehead here. And I'm going to blend it all out. Since I have a lot of skincare products underneath, it's just going to be really easy to blend it out. Next I'll be setting my concealer with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. Just taking a little bit and lightly setting wherever I've applied the concealer. And I'm using this tiny brush. This is from Sugar. This is actually a highlighter brush. I'm going to also set this T-zone area and over here too because this area creases for me a lot. Okay, I was going to apply one more concealer for highlighting but I forgot. But it's okay, I've already set my face now. And over here now I'm just lightly pressing. I've taken some powder and dusting off the excess and just barely tapping on it, like very lightly, just so that the concealer is set and doesn't move much. For my eyebrows I'm using the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. That's the only thing I'm doing for my eyebrows. Just the quickest and the most effective step. Now to add some color back into our face, I'm using this K-Beauty blush in the shade Sugar Candy. You can also use tints, cream blushes, anything. If you use any cream blushes or tints, since it's not going to be a powder, it's gonna really help you give that glow. Powder blushes are easier to work with, especially if you have already applied powder. So since I had applied powder, I'm using a powder blush. I'm also applying it on my nose, on my chin, and also my eyelids. By the way, 20% of the glow I'm getting today is because of my sweat, because I'm sitting without any fan or AC in 30 degrees Celsius. It's almost 31, 32 and 80% humidity. So that's also part of this glow routine. I'm just taking break every 10 minutes from filming. I'm going into another room, sitting in front of a fan and cooling myself down, and then again coming back and shooting. That's how I'm preventing myself from sweating a lot. But still I'm sweating a little bit, so that's because the AC in our room is not working. Next, to add some dimension, I'm using the Hoola bronzer and applying little bit on the sides. My face is looking so chubby right now. I've been eating a lot since yesterday and it instantly shows on my face. Whenever I eat a lot, next day or within a few hours my face is all swollen. And if I eat very little or healthy, that also shows on my face. My face looks thin. So quick to react. I'm applying it on my nose, like on the sides as well. It is on my eyelids. I hope it did make my face slim a little bit. Next I'm going to curl my lashes. I also like to simultaneously do something else. It's usually my lips. So I'm using lip liner from MAC in the shade Soar. But since I'm filming a video, I don't have to do this. I'm just letting you know something I do if I'm not filming a video, because curling eyelashes is the most boring thing you can do and you have to wait for a long time. I mean, I do it for a long time because otherwise it doesn't do anything to my lashes. My lashes are so straight. I wish my lashes were curly like my hair, but kya hi kare. Woo! That's nice. I'm going to quickly apply mascara now using the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara and applying a lot of folds. The curling step really brought out my lashes, otherwise they are always hiding. Also applying little on my lower lashes. Nice. Quickly gonna do the same thing on the other eye. So now that my mascara is on, I'm telling you my lashes are going to drop soon, really soon. They don't stay curled, but this mascara gives me life. At least thoda sa you can make out that I have lashes. So next I'm going to quickly overline my lips. So I would overline only here on the cupid's bow. I learned this from Huda. And over here, slightly overlining, and then I would join my natural lip line. For my lipstick, I'm using the Kiro liquid lipstick in the shade Sandy Rose. Just going to let this dry. Next, I'm using this Becca highlighter. I love this highlighter so much. And applying it. It just looks so wet and juicy. There's a hack if you want your highlighter to pop as much as possible, and if you have dry skin especially, spritz your face with a face mist. I didn't do it now because my face was already a little sweaty. So just spray some face mist and let it dry a little bit. You don't want to apply it on wet skin. Let it become damp so that it's not dry but it's not wet either. Like you just feel a slight dampness on your skin. And then apply your highlighter. It just sticks better and pops even more. Right now my face is damp with sweat, so it still is popping. If you have oily skin, you have a natural oil on your face, so if you still want to apply highlighter, you can apply on that skin and it's gonna pop for you. Next, I take this tiny brush and I also like to apply it in my inner corner, slightly going underneath and slightly above. Also on my eyebrows, brow bone. Okay, it's all coming together now. You can also apply it here if you want to. We're gonna apply gloss. Also, you can apply it here. I feel like my blush is almost gone. It always happens. Blushes fade so quickly. Just gonna add more. Next, I'm gonna apply lip gloss using the MAC lip gloss in the shade Nymphet. I'm not swiping it like this because I don't want to dirty this. It's anyway gonna get dirty, but I don't want to go all the way, so I'm just tapping very lightly. Next, I'm going to use a face mist. You can use any face mist which you have, anything which is hydrating and moisturizing. I'm using the Fix Plus and let it dry. It just instantly hydrates and therefore it gives you that glow, which is all we need for today. It might be looking extreme right now, but just let it dry. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and also hit on the notification bell. By the way, wait, I'll just give a comment shout out first. Today's comment shout out goes to Isha Patil. Thank you so much for your comment. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I would like to give you one more tip. I get the best glowing makeup looks, glowy skin basically, when I exfoliate. Exfoliating is so important, and especially when I shave my face, it also exfoliates my skin. So on the days I shave my face, I have the most baby smooth skin ever. I shaved my face last week, and yeah, that's it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Concealer creases in case I'm wearing it. No, don't say anything. Hi honey, test. La la la.